Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the contact to the customer service in the CCC app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the CCC app. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon, and on the top right corner, tap on this settings icon. And you have to select the second option, do you need help? And here you will have the contact, tap on it, and here you have a phone number. If you tap on it, you can call them, but if you tap on the email, then you can write to them an email. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.